Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and today I will brief you. I will show you that how you can. So, today I will show you that how you can convert your data into two columns. So, firstly, you just need to select here all data, go into insert, right? No, page layout. From here you can see the option of columns. Click on it. You can convert it into one column which is already in the shape of one column. You can convert it two columns, three columns, left, right, or more columns if you if you want to convert it into two columns. So this is the shape. For example, if you are writing a book or you're writing any document for any newspaper, then you have to put that option to your data. And this look more formal for this format is more formal for the book or the magazine, or if you're writing any, you can say, any essay. This is the way by which you can convert your data into two columns. So this is the way by which you convert your data into two columns, and moreover, you can convert it into three column, right? Into left side, right, and right side. Okay. So after moreover, you can customize it, right? From here, one column, two column, three column, four column. This is showing the output, that there will be just like this output. If you select one column, this like of output will there. Two column, this like of output will there. Three column, this like of output will there. And you can see from here, width is 1.83, spacing is 0.5, and this change with two column, one column, it will be entirely different. And if you select left, so that means here data is less and here is more data, right? So here is more data, here is less data. So you can adjust according to your requirement, according to your desire. So this is the way by which you can convert your data into columns. So this is all for the tutorial of columns. So thank you for your time. See you in the next one.